And they rob. Ale Ale draws for your lead. Saint Lipais on the outside. Knockout Babe is running by the rail. In between runners is Speed Up Here. Mac Dollar racing in deep by the rail. Makisig moving up alongside Miss Manila. Hot Joke second last. And Iskad Missile is running at the tail of the field. Heading towards the last 600. Ale Ale in command by a length. Saint Lipais in second, running by the rail third. Knockout Babe is Speed Up Him is running in fourth as they turn to the final 450. Ale Ale still setting the pace, throwing a challenge na wari outside is Saint Lipa. By the rail is sneaking in is Knockout Babe as they turn for home. Ale Ale still leading the field, running at the center. Out Babe moving up by the rail. Saint Lipay sorry outside with the last 100 meters more to run. Knockout Babe now takes the lead over Ale Ale. And finally, Knockout Babe, Ale Ale, Saint Lipa, Macdollar, Makisig. For your pentapecta, then comes Speed Up Here, Miss Manila, Iskad Miss Salad, Hajuk comes in last.